welcome to my unboxing of the May 2017 Yumetwins box. This month's theme is Neko Purrfect. So let's have a look what we've got inside. Okay, so we have the little booklet, Neko Purrfect, it says there. We'll look through that in a sec. Here we've got cute kitty pencil case, I think. Oh, the tails does it. Yeah. I think it's a pencil case. Very plushy in here, so not that much space for anything in there. But I'll just check the manual in a sec about that. What's this? A little coin purse with little cat designs on it. Some designs actually, yeah. Silver and Sylvester little keychain. They're quite soft. A My Bottle Special Day Animal Style water bottle, which has got definite cat theme to it. This, I believe, is a character from Yokai Watch. I haven't checked that out yet, but again, another cat type character. So let's have a little look in the booklet to see what's what. Okay. So we've got Amuse Neko plush pouch. It's like being photos. Inspired by Tsuchinoko, the snake-like being in Japanese photos. Popular Japanese plush maker Amuse created the cute Tsuchinoko cats, which have their paws snugly hidden under their bodies. Just a regular old plush at first glance. Flip it and draw the zipper taut in the hidden pouch where you can fit utensils and small accessories. Which of the 15 kits did you get? And is mine actually shown there? Yep, that's the one that I got. Yokai Watch DX Explorer Komasan plush. But like I say, I haven't watched Yokai Watch yet, but I'll have to check that out. A animal style tumbler. Carry your favourite drink in this cute tumbler, the perfect size to fit in your purse. This slim cat design tumbler can be carried with you wherever you go. What drink you put in it, your new tumbler. This tumbler can withstand liquid up to 100 degrees C. So it's advised not to use in the dishwasher, but you can actually have quite warm drinks in there, so that's handy. Silver and Sylvester mascot keychain designed by Japan Artist Society and licensed by plush maker Shinada. Silver and Sylvester remain popular characters since their birth in 1980. The cute pound-sized buses have convenient ball chain attached to them so you can carry them everywhere you go on your purse, which is a pretty six mascots did you get. I believe it's that blue one there. And the Tsum Tsum coin purse. Gamaguchi style coin purse with a cute Tsum design, comes with a ball chain so you can easily hook it onto your favourite purse, although a coin purse is perfect to carry your accessories as well. So that could be handy for carrying some spare change around with me. And then there's more about the Yokai Watch Komasan character. the Yumi Prize, and animal cafes, and the community page there. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for more good videos, and please give me a like, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out my Facebook page as well. I do plan on expanding more into like blogs and stuff as well, so stay tuned for any more information. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and bye.